Idol, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial we will show you another Facebook tip. Did you remember the date when you create your Facebook? Do you want to know? Please watch and don't skip. Go to your Facebook app. Click on the settings icon. Scroll down and find the Access Your Information. Scroll down and click on the Personal Information. Here is the date when you start your Facebook. Thanks for watching Idol. Please give us a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Take care.